Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to see the sensitive content on Twitter. That means how to turn off that particular setting. For that, you have to follow my instructions very carefully. Go to the home page of Twitter and click on the icon button. Then if you scroll down at the bottom part, you'll find an option settings and privacy. Click on this button. Now at the fifth option, you can see privacy and safety. Click on this button. Now at the third option, you can see another option that is content UC. Click on this button, and here our desired button is existed, that is display media that may contain sensitive content. Just turn this on. So after turning this on, you will be able to see the media that may contain sensitive content. So that's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.